Hey, good evening. Friday night over here, though, with our little sunshine poopers. It sure is. Hey, pooping poopers. Who is this? That's little gray spots. Little gray spots. Then we got the little blue cloud of sunshines. We sure do. And then we got little, I think that's little pinkish hearts right there. Little pinkish heart little girl right there. Yes. Who's you? Sides are green and black racing stripes right here. There's those black diamonds. You got a lot of wiggly tails out here, but I don't think we got everybody up. We'll have to go work on 2 more. Don't go to sleep just yet, poopers. Here's little turquoise. Let's get little turquoise up. Made a turquoise boy. You still ain't swapped your collar, but when I do, I'll make sure I tell you. That's our little cherry girl right there. Hey, how y'all doing? We got little Blue Daisy over there just taking a nap. And we got Blue Clyde just climbed in my lap. We sure did. We gotta go. We got everybody up. Aww, well, these are the youngest little poopers. Last puppy's born out here. Little pink hearts is over there biting on somebody. Little biting on pink collar. You was giving me some kisses, ain't you? This little Blue Clyde right there. They're growing so fast, though. Little pink horse wants to bite on somebody. Let's wake up our last little pooper, y'all. Wouldn't be fair if we let old Blue Daisy over there sleep. Hey, Blue Daisy. Oh, there's little Blue Daisy. So why'd you wake me up for? I don't see no milk. There's little Blue Daisy. I'll give you some petting and loving, Blue Daisy. Little Blue Plaid coming back, and there's our green racing stripes. Little turquoise. What you doing, Cherry Girl? What you doing, Cherry Girl? Little pink heart girl. You're still sleepy, huh? You guys are really sleepy here. No! Rowie, she says. Well, we can get these going. Now they're waking up. Good girls. Good little poopers. So, well, we can't get the music to come on again, but we'll work on that. Row! Little Blue Daisies there just now waking up. What y'all doing there? Who's jumping all over? That's a little Blue Plaid. There's my little turquoise boy. Row! Little green racing stripes over there. Well, if we can get this thing going. Now somebody biting on the ducky that I just hung them. A Blue Plaid and a row, Cherry Girl says. It sure does. What you doing, little wild cherry? Oh, pink hearts will come over there and talk to you a little bit. They sure will. Well, your mother's kind of hiding out on you, ain't she, today? Well, we're getting a little bigger. Don't need as much as Mama. There we go. Whoa! Little pink hearts go get her some food. And who's that with her over there? That's green racing stripes. There's little black diamonds. Yeah! Little turquoise. Blue Plaid keeps staying in my lap. Is that a safety place? A little wild cherry keeps over there barking at me. Row! Row! Now we got turquoise over there fighting with somebody. Playing chewy with somebody. What they doing, little cootie? What they doing, you pooper? That's little gray spots. You sure like my lap though, little pooper. Yeah, it's kind of nice right here. Little black diamonds and turquoise over there playing a little bit. We got wild cherry over there, and then look at there comes old blue daisies. And blue daisy's biting on somebody. And then wild cherry, what's he doing over there, wild cherry? So maybe old green racing stripe come over and bother you a little bit. There's a little pink hearts. So doing, you puppers? Our little puppies of sunshines, yeah. Little green, little black diamonds. Wow! You sure like my lap, little blue plaid boy. I sure do. Cherry says. Turquoise figured out there's water over in the corner now. I just started giving them water today, though. Wow, you say, huh? Yes, sure do. Little blue daisy over there in the dog boat, fruit boat. Yeah. Oh no, we got somebody wanting to go to sleep. Oh, this is not sleep time. This has got to be playtime, little pink hearts. Little wild cherry. I think turquoise over there doing his business. Aww. Little cherry must be a tough little girl. Gotta be that mama. Okay, let's see if we can. Wow! Let's see if we can wake up little Ivory's little poopers.